Dossier number 012, the Forensic Audit video goal. Demonstrate how to investigate and clean a technical document using the Sovereign Logic Engine, SLE. This is the narrative drift and the hallucinations that happen when AI is left ungoverned. Today, I'm taking you inside a forensic audit. We aren't just reading data, we are investigating its integrity using the Sovereign Logic Engine. Phase 2. Gate 1, the Semantic Firewall. First, we deploy Gate 1, the Semantic Firewall. Its job is simple: strip away the fluff. If a word is a qualitative descriptor and not an indexed technical term, it doesn't survive the gate. We reduce the document to its bare mathematical and technical nomenclature. This eliminates the noise before we even begin the check. Phase 3. Gate 2, the Constraint Gate. Next is Gate 2, the Constraint Gate. Here, we anchor the remaining data to a verified silo. We disable global browsing and force the system to cross-reference every claim against a one-to-one verified dataset. If the data can't be traced back to its origin, it's flagged as a liability. Phase 4. Gate 3, the Verification Loop. Finally, we trigger the verification loop. This is a recursive logic check. The system audits its own conclusion against our initial constraints. If there is even a 1% deviation, the re-evaluation loop triggers. We don't stop until the logic is absolute. Phase 5. The closing the audit is complete. What started as a messy, unreliable draft is now a sovereign asset. This is how we move from chatting with AI to engineering integrity. I've uploaded the Forensic Audit Checklist to the Governance Vault for you to use in your own workflows. Archive number 012 is closed. Thanks for watching.